Hey guys, today we're gonna start this video off with this girl is so desperate. But I was just messaging her like literally a few seconds ago, and I'm literally just gonna show you what she said to me. And she said, "Want to trade? I'll let Cotton Boy know how great you are. Please." I'm like, "Cotton Boy?" And she's like, "Yeah, Cotton Boy 11. Can I please trade with you though? I'll give you 2 rare last." No, I don't trade with desperate people. Rares. I'm not desperate. Yes. Nope. You said, please trade with me. I'll let Cotton Boy know how nice you are. So, yeah, point proven. Point not proven. I'm trying to make a fair trade, and all I want to do is trade. I'm not desperate for it, though. Yes, you are. I don't online date. So, point proven. Whatever helps you sleep at night. Desperate. Well, I'm gonna expose you. I don't care. Expose fake things about me that will let people know the real nasty ad. I don't know what the frick she said, but whatever. She said little something, I don't know. You are. That's what she basically said to me. Also, if you're watching this video, lovely Starfire, freak you. Thank you very much. Goodbye, guys.